The Space App Challenge by NASA. No doubt, this is one of the most exciting challenges for everyone around the world. Every year, students and science enthusiasts around the world compete for this challenge. But what about the initial process that everyone goes through when they try to participate in this challenge? Well, that's one of the major problems everyone faces. When they try to build up their project, as there is no specific project details in NASA's official website or any other columns that describe all the project accomplished by the previous team. Let us share our own experience. When we first decided to participate in NASA Space App Challenge, we were thrilled about all of it. We thought about so many things, but the only thing we were looking for was some inspirational project from our previous mate. Though we were able to find some, but most of them were the top regional projects or the project from finalists. We were able to find some more from some online articles, but not so much. We had so many things in our mind, but we were stuck into thinking that there are so many teams practicing in this global challenge, and probably most of them are facing the same problems we did. Though it is not a huge puzzle to solve, but we think before starting and thinking for a project to work with a proper knowledge about the previous ones could build up one's mindset so strong that it would become easier for everyone to participate and compete.
From our realization, we came up with this app named NASA Young Explorer. We have collected all the previous project details and furnished them one by one in our app so that when the new enthusiasts would think about the Space App Challenge, they might just end up using our app to find every project details from the beginning of NASA Space App Challenge and come up with the way more beautiful innovations. We did not stop here. From making our app more convenient, we have prepared our app in such a way that the participants can upload their videos and get notified about all the event details within the app. So we present you the app with everyone you will ever need to know from NASA's Space App Challenge, NASA Young Explorer. Thank you everyone.